Now friends, let's talk about the next question, that is the value of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 1 upon 1 plus e raised to the power sin x dx. This is question number 8 we have. So here, yes, we can take this as I, right? So this can be taken as equation number 1, right? And I think what we can use is, we can use this form. So fx dx, right? And this is coming out to be a to b, and this is f of a plus b minus x dx, right? This is what we have. So that means if I talk about this property, we can write this as, this is equation number 1, so I can be written as minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, okay? And this is dx upon 1 plus e raised to the power sin. This is, again, we have pi by 2 minus pi by 2, this is minus x we have, right? We have used this form. Now, when you use this form, this is coming out to be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and this is dx we have. And this is nothing but we have 1 plus e raised to the power minus sin x. So this is equation number 2 we have. So what we can do, we can just add 1 plus 2, this is going to be a very simple calculation, and I is coming out to be pi by 2. So fourth option is the correct one we have. Now let me go to the next one, my dear students, and this is a very interesting problem based on inverse trigonometry. You have been given the sum of the first 10 terms and we have to add it up. So that is the question we have, and very interesting sum, tan inverse 1 by 3, tan inverse 1 by 7, tan inverse 1 by 13, tan inverse 1 by 21. So what is the logic involved here is we have to convert it into tan inverse a minus b upon 1 plus ab form, right? This is the most important thing we have. So what we can do, we can just write this as tan inverse a minus of tan inverse b, right? So that means if I talk about 1, so this can be written as 1 upon 1 plus 2, right? Or this can be written as 2 minus 1 upon 1 plus 2 into 1. Can you see that? This is what we can write. Similarly here, this is 1 upon 7, which is 1 upon 1 plus 6 we have, and that is 3 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 3 times 2 we have, right? So that means all the values can be substituted here, and accordingly we can write it down. So once we get tan inverse 2 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 into 1, right? Just have a look at this part, very interesting one. Plus, we have tan inverse, this is coming out to be how much? We have 3 minus 2 plus 3 times 2 we have, and so on. So up to what term we have? We have up to 10 terms, right? So it goes like this. So that means if I talk about the, the 10th term rather. So what we can write this as tan inverse 11 minus 10 upon 1 plus 11 into 10, right? So here the properties can be used, that is tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1, right? And here again we can write tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2, got it? And we can just take so on, and we can just write it down as we have tan inverse 11 minus tan inverse 10, right? So all the terms will be cancelled and we are left out with the remaining part. So this is 1 we have. So this is nothing but we have tan inverse 11, right? And this is minus tan inverse 1. So once we substitute these values, we get fourth option, that is 5 by 6. We use tan inverse a minus tan inverse b, that is tan inverse a minus b upon 1 plus ab we can write. Got it? So 5 by 6 will be the final answer we have. Now let me go to the next one. If a comma b comma c is the image of the point 1, 2, minus 3 in the line x plus 1 by 2, y minus 3 by minus 2, z by minus 1. It's a very simple question based on purely school level, nothing more than that, right? So you can just have a look at this sum. See, you have been given the line, right? So what is the line we have? So let's draw the line first of all. This is the line I'm talking about. So this is x plus 1 upon 2. This is y minus 3 upon minus 2. This is z minus 0 upon, we have minus 1, right? This is the line. And we have been given a point P, that is 1 comma 2 comma minus 3, right? So let me take this point as P, okay? And we have to find the image of this. Image is nothing but we have A comma B comma C. Got it? Fine. So what we need to do, we need to find the image. So that's why we just draw a line. If you remember, this is the concept what we have used. This is perpendicular. So we can just find this point here, M. So once you find the point M, right, then we get this point, because this is the midpoint, so automatically this Q will come out, right? So Q can be written as 1, 0 and 1 we have. Got it? Very simple line, right? The point is there. We can just take this as a midpoint. We use the formula. We get a general point, right? Common question, and we just substitute the values and we get the ABC. So if you get ABC, that means we are getting A plus B plus C to be equal to how much? 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is nothing but we have 2 here, right? So first option is the correct one we have. So hopefully this is clear to you.